out skate park. Peace out hotel room for the dream. What now?
You gotta fill every little hole.
Heard you were a breakfast guy, but I had no idea.
Dude, we might have to sit down for a second. I can't ever pass up
a good continental breakfast. Judging by the current surf forecast, our goal today is to make it as far up the coast as we possibly can. We have tens of hours of driving left to go on the trip, so our goal today is pretty much just make it as far north as possible. Sightsee and hopefully surf. Here we go. All right, so this seemingly silly little massage ball that I just bought for $10.76 will change my trip. Pretty much I have this upper area in my back, and I bet a lot of people get this, but you really can't stretch it out. The only way I've ever been able to find relief is through the chiropractor, but this $10 miracle worker is gonna change the game. Pretty much my back gets tightened from paddling like these 20-minute paddle outs that we've been doing and just eating it on big waves. But this thing just digs in so nicely. And all I do is just throw it back there and lean into it when I'm driving. Oh, my day is already different. Let's roll!
What you doing, bro?
TMJ, baby.
Rolling your face out?
Yeah.
Rolling?
There's just a lot of random rocks. I mean, you get in the middle zone, starting to get these kind of like double up, close out things that...
Warning, if you feel an earthquake, think tsunami, go to high ground, stay there. Large sneaker waves are possible, stay back, never turn your back on the ocean. Strong outgoing rip currents are possible, avoid swimming, wading in the surf. Cold water can paralyze, making it impossible to keep your head above water. If someone is in trouble, dial 911 immediately. 4 sneaker wave deaths have occurred on this beach.
He's like...
Yeah, obviously. Never in my life have I been to Oregon before.
Never in my life.
We're gonna wait. I'm claiming wait for this guy. All right, we are in Oregon. I have never been to Oregon before in my life. I'm extremely excited. This is sick. The dream, the journey continues. Let's go. All right, so we just came across the border and pretty much pulled off at the first beach we could find. So we're walking down here to see what's going on. Gorgeous, absolutely beautiful view. And yeah, cool, stoked. so pretty much what we've been doing is just kind of stopping and pulling off at every little cove that we see on the map that looks reasonable. A lot of work, but eventually, hopefully we end up finding a gem. We pretty much know nothing about the territory. We know nothing about the waves. We know no surf spots. We're just going for it. So this is it. This is the dream. We're just hunting around for waves. Pretty cool, actually. I'm stoked. So thank you guys for being here. And thank you for all the support on this trip. It's been an amazing ride. Phew. Get out of the car. No, 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 no.
Is that a great white?
No, dude, no.
What is that?
That is a great white shark.
So we gotta get down there.
Are you kidding me? I'm going home.
Dude,
Are you kidding me?
we gotta get down there.
Dude, that's not real. That is not real. That's not real. Are you joking me?
This ain't about me, it's all in my head. I am thinking, it's all in my head.
All right, so I thought that was a shark. It's actually a whale. It looks like a baby whale, which is, well, both animals being dead is really sad, but I was more actually just terrified that it was going to be a shark. But that's pretty sad that there's a dead whale on the beach.
It's all in my head, it's all in my head.
Dude, we might have the spot straight up. Ooh.
This ain't about you, it's all in your head. You hear them talking, think they want you dead. It's all in your head, it's all in your head.
Gnarliest wind I've ever been in!
It's all in your head. It's all in your head.
My surfboard just blew down the mountain. Okay, I barely got any of that, but my surfboard just blew down the mountain. What is going on out here?
It's all in your head. It's
We have no idea what to expect. The wind is obviously going like 40, 50 miles an hour. I don't even know if I can catch a wave, but we walked all the way down here. And I've never surfed in Oregon before, so now or never.
It's all in
Do it.
This ain't about us, it's all
Alright guys, I surfed in Oregon for the dream. However, I literally can't get up the hill. It's too windy. It's straight up too windy. So I dumped down here to take a break. Wanted to show you guys what it looked like. It's insane, you can't even walk forward. Insane. That was a very different experience. My board got blown out of my hands on the way down. I was scared shitless. Didn't even think I was gonna be able to surf because the wind's about 60 miles an hour. Went out, caught a couple, terrified the whole time because it's breaking right on the rocks. Went back out, caught one because the tide had sucked out and it was way too dangerous.
It's really windy.
Dude, 60-mile-an-hour winds, I almost got blown off the cliff.
You could be stronger than that.
You think?
Yeah. You know, I'm really good at running out of falls, dude. I almost went down the trail, ran out of it.
How bad is that wind?
It's the gnarliest wind I've ever walked.
That session was next level. Getting back up the hill, insane. 32 states for the dream.